UMass has expanded our experiential learning, our internships and co-ops, because it gives a student an opportunity to get out into the world and then come back to the classroom, and that experience in the classroom means even more.
By the end of the time when I graduated UMass Boston, I had finished 4 internships. I not only had my academic background, but I had professional background and a lot of the network that I built.
It's real-world experience I got at school, which is something that I was asked about a lot during my interviews, because anything that you can apply to the real world, people are going to want to know.
I was able to participate in an internship program at Mass Biologics, which is actually a subsection of UMass Medical School.
I landed an internship last summer with Deloitte in their marketing and communications department, which ultimately turned to a job offer.
At the end of my second semester at UMass Boston, I joined the Event Horizon Telescope Research Group, who I've been working with for a couple of years. You're probably familiar with them. They made the first image of a black hole. I was one of the scientists on that project.
It prepares you for real-world experiences. And going into companies, big biotech companies, they want people who have had experience.
I think that provides an environment, a diverse environment, where our students, when they graduate, are just ready to go. And that's why companies love to hire our workers. They don't come in with any airs about them. They're ready to roll up their sleeves and do their job.